Silverbells English Medium School, Mansarovar, Palanpur. Children, today we will start our new lesson in Social Science, lesson number 16. The name of lesson, Local Self-Government. We have already discussed in lesson number 15 how government form. But now we will discuss about local self-government. Local self-government in Hindi we call Sthaniya Swashasan. Okay, and local government is known as Panchayati Raj also. You can also call local government Panchayati Raj. Children, in India we have central government. That we know. That in India, which government we are having? In India we have central government, and in Gujarat we have Gujarat government. Now, you are aware of government, types of government and the level of government. Now let us study about the local government of our area. Now we will study about the local government in our area. Dear student, a paragraph is given below for you. The things which are not applicable for you, draw a line on that and write correct details in the blank given below. This is given in your textbook. I live in means in that you have to write down where do you live, in village or city. There is a gram panchayat. तो आपके यहाँ पे क्या है? ग्राम पंचायत, म्यूनिसिपैलिटी or corporations in my village or city. The name of its head, Sarpanch, President, Mayor is this. So in that you will fill the name of the head of Sarpanch, President or Mayor. Like that in our right now where do we live? We live in Palanpur. So in Palanpur we are having President. The name of our Nagarpalika President is Mr. Ashok Thakur. And the Vice President is Mrs. Hetal Rawal. Children, you should be aware that we live in Palanpur, so we are having in Nagarpalika. The President name is Mr. Ashok Thakur, Mr. Ashok Thakur, and the Vice President name is Mrs. Hetal Rawal. Now, we study about local government. Local government, it is divided into two parts. One is village administration. Local government is also known as Panchayati Raj, and it is divided into two parts. One is village administration. Administration means I have already told you that management. Administration means क्या होता है? Management. गाँव का management कैसे होता है? So उसके लिए village administration and other is city administration. Now we have children in village administration. It is divided in three parts: village, Taluka and district. Village, Taluka and district. And city administration, it is divided in the two parts: municipality and corporation. What it is? Municipality and corporation. Okay. And children, I want to give you one more information that village that we know. Government क्या होता है? हमें village में क्या होती है? ग्राम पंचायत. Okay. And in Taluka, how is Taluka formed? All the village together it form तालुका. जो दो तीन गांव छोटे बड़े होते हैं तो वो मिलकर क्या बन जाते हैं? तालुका. एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट, हाउ डिस्ट्रिक्ट फॉर्म? जो तालुका होते हैं उनको अगर हम लोग मिलाएंगे ऑल टुगेदर दे फॉर्म डिस्ट्रिक्ट. सो यू हैव टू अवेयर दैट विलेज, ग्राम पंचायत, हाउ फॉर्म तालुका. तालुका कैसे बनेंगे? विलेज जो गांव मिलके बनता है तालुका. सो you can say the villages together it form taluka, and all the taluka together, सारे तालुका मिलाकर क्या बनेंगे? District. All the taluka together they will form a district. Right now which is our district? Banaskantha is our district. We live in Palanpur and our district is Banaskantha. Okay. Now we have municipality and corporation. Corporation is there in big cities. जैसे सूरत, अहमदाबाद वो होते हैं. तो वहां पे क्या होता है? सूरत म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशंस. अहमदाबाद, तो अहमदाबाद में क्या होगा? एएमसी, अहमदाबाद म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशंस. गांधीनगर, सो गांधीनगर म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन, जीएमसी. लाइक दैट इन बिग सिटीज वी आर हैविंग कॉर्पोरेशन. वी कॉल कॉर्पोरेशन. एसएमसी मीन्स सूरत म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन, एएमसी मीन्स अहमदाबाद म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन, एंड जीएमसी मीन्स गांधीनगर म्यूनिसिपल corporations. And they have in big cities में क्या होते हैं? वहाँ president नहीं होते. What do we call? Mayor. We call mayor. Like that in Surat, SMC. Because SMC, तो who is mayor of Surat? Mr. Jagdish Patel. सूरत का मेयर कौन है? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ सूरत मेयर? मिस्टर जगदीश पटेल. And there is a deputy mayor also, and the deputy mayor known as Nirav Shah. Mr. Nirav Shah is the deputy mayor of Surat. Now, this information I hope you understand. Now we'll study about Panchayati Raj. How the Panchayati Raj form. In that, the three tiers together they form the Panchayati Raj. I will just explain to you. Village Panchayat, विलेज पंचायत मीन्स छोटे छोटे गांव होते हैं वो सबसे बेस. ओके, फर्स्ट इज विलेज पंचायत, देन तालुका पंचायत एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत. We'll study about this village panchayat, local self-government. So we have accepted three tier system of work of Panchayati Raj. पंचायत राज में थ्री टायर सिस्टम से कौन से? विलेज पंचायत, तालुका पंचायत एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत. पहले हम लोग क्या बने? जो गांव मिलके होते हैं ग्राम पंचायत बनेगा. ओके, ऑल द विलेज टुगेदर दे विल फॉर्म Taluka Panchayat, and all the Taluka will together they will form District Panchayat. Okay, now here there are three in Panchayati Raj. There are three tiers. Okay, so there are three tiers of structures of Panchayati Raj, and that which are they? First one, Gram Panchayat at village level. Village level में कौन होगा? Gram Panchayat. So Gram Panchayat at village level, Taluka Panchayat at Taluka level. Taluka Panchayat at Taluka level, and District Panchayat is at district level. Okay, this we have to remember that there are three tiers of structure of Panchayati Raj. How many tiers are there? Three tiers of structures of Panchayati Raj. Gram Panchayat at village level. Again, I am telling you, Gram Panchayat is at village level, Taluka Panchayat is at Taluka level, and District Panchayat is at district level. Now, as we know, the people less than 500. कुछ गांव में होते हैं, इन विलेज आपने देखा होगा पीपल्स कितने होते हैं? लेस देन 500. ज्यादा नहीं होते, कुछ गांव में कम पीपल्स भी होते हैं. सो पीपल लेस देन 500 इन विलेज. एंड वैसे कुछ और एक और गांव में होगा, ऐसा भी होगा गांव दूसरा भी होगा जिसके अंदर 500 से पब्लिक कम होगी, लेस देन 500 पीपल. सो इन दोनों को मिलकर क्या बनेगी? इन दोनों को मिलकर बनेगा ग्राम पंचायत, विलेज पंचायत. ओके, जिस गांव के अंदर इन विच इन द विलेज पीपल्स लेस देन 500 पीपल्स आर लिविंग इन अ विलेज. और ऐसा दूसरा ही गांव हो जिसमें लोग कम होते, जो लोग पीपल्स कम रहते हैं, 500 से पीपल्स कम है, तो वो दोनों गांव के मिलकर हम लोग क्या करेंगे? विलेज पंचायत मीन्स ग्राम पंचायत. ओके, सो ग्राम पंचायत एट विलेज लेवल, एंड तालुका पंचायत एट तालुका लेवल, एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत एट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल. नाउ sure, you have seen that door-to-door garbage collection. Door-to-door garbage collection is done by our municipality. So, Nagar Palika. And we have also seen 15 August, 26 January, the lighting is done, decoration also done. This all is done through the Nagar Palika only. Okay. Now we will see about Panchayati Raj administration. So, Gram Panchayat is the most important unit of Panchayati Raj. Which is the most important unit of the Panchayati Raj? Gram Panchayat. So you remember this Gram Panchayat is the most important unit of Panchayati Raj. Now administration run by representatives elected by the people at the local level is called local self-government. So what is this? This is the definition of local self-government. That administration means क्या होता है? मैनेजमेंट. I've told you that administration means management. So administrations run by representatives elected by the people at the local level. At the local level is called local self-government. Now, Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat belongs to the village local self-government. Now here, Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat. This all belongs to the village local self-government. Municipality and corporations are the local self-government at city level. That I have told you that. I have already told you that municipality and corporations are the local self-government at the city level. Now here we will study about the structure of development of the government. The structure of development of the government. Student, you can see in figure 16.2 that Gram Panchayat is at the base. In your textbook you will see 16.2 figure that Gram Panchayat is at the base. Above Gram Panchayat क्या होगा? Taluka Panchayat is there. You remember that Gram Panchayat is at the base. Okay. So above Gram Panchayat, what is there? Taluka Panchayat. Above Taluka Panchayat, District Panchayat is there. Above Taluka Panchayat, District Panchayat is there. And above District Panchayat, we are having state government. Above District Panchayat, what we are having? State government. And state government is governed by the state. State government. So above District Panchayat, state government is situated and which is administer the state. So state government क्या करेगा? पूरे states को management करेगा. Okay. So whole state it is management by the state government. So and state government, above the state government there is central government, which is central government. And central government it will manage whole country. The whole country will be managed by the central government. This table is important, so you have to remember this. That which is the base? Gram Panchayat is at the base. Above the Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat. Above the Taluka Panchayat, we are having District Panchayat. Above District Panchayat, state government is there. And state government manage whole state, which administer whole state. And above the state government, we are having central government. And central government which will manage whole country. Okay. In Delhi, central government is Delhi, so which manage whole country. Now here we'll study about, I will just give the information about now rural governments. So in rural governments, Gram Panchayat formation we'll study. Gram Panchayat is the most important unit of local self-government. We have already discussed over here that Gram Panchayat is the most important unit of local self-government. Now, generally, a Gram Panchayat is formed in the village with a population of 500 to 25,000. How many people are there? 500 to 25,000. The election of Gram Panchayat is held every 5 years. Gram Panchayat में election कितने साल होते हैं? कितने साल में कितने बार होते हैं? 5 years. हर 5 साल के बाद elections होते हैं. That we know. We have discussed. The members of the Gram Panchayat are minimum 8 and maximum 16. So, how many members are there in Gram Panchayat? Minimum 8 members होंगे and maximum 16 members are there. The entire village is divided in the ward. तो पूरा village गाँव में किस में divide होगा? Ward में. It will divide in the ward. The voters of a village elect a candidate from each ward. Now in Gram Panchayat what happens? The elections for the Sarpanch is conducted by the direct voting of all the registered voters of the village. हमें पता है गांव में क्या होता है? सरपंच. जो गांव होते हैं उसमें कौन बनेगा? सरपंच. जब इलेक्शन होता है तो हम लोग क्या चूज करेंगे? सरपंच. So the election for सरपंच is conducted by the direct voting. The election for सरपंच is conducted by direct voting and of all the registered voters. जो वोटर जीत गए उनसे ही वोटिंग करके सरपंच चूज होंगे of the village. They will choose the सरपंच. The Gram Panchayat elections are not contested by any political party. This you have to remember that the Gram Panchayat elections are not contested by any political party or on symbol of any political party. कोई political party का symbols पे होता नहीं है Gram Panchayat में. This is how the Gram Panchayat is formed and like this the Gram Panchayat is formed. उस तरह से Gram Panchayat form होती है. Okay. Now we'll study about the administration of Gram Panchayat. कि Gram Panchayat बन गई तो Gram Panchayat में management कैसे होगा? Okay. So now here, the Sarpanch and the members of Gram Panchayat together decide the work development by making resolutions on development. Sarpanch और दूसरे जो members जो जीते होते Gram Panchayat, they all together they decide the work development by making resolutions on the development. Talati cum minister is appointed by the government. Talati cum minister means Gram Panchayat Mantri. Talati cum minister means Gram Panchayat Mantri it is appointed. तो ग्राम पंचायत मंत्री अपॉइंट करते हैं. Who appoint that? It is appointed by the government. He or she handles the administrative work, collect taxes, make reports of gram panchayat and prepares forms and keep records of budgetary accounts. Now, the Talatika minister, it is appointed by the government. I've told you that Talatika minister means ग्राम पंचायत मंत्री. जो ग्राम पंचायत मंत्री जो बनते हैं गांव के अंदर, विलेज में, तो वो क्या करेंगे? वो he or she whatever be, they will handles administrative work, collect taxes, make reports of ग्राम पंचायत. वो लोग क्या करेंगे? जो काम होता है वो मैनेज करेंगे. कैसे काम हुआ है वो सब मैनेजमेंट करेंगे. टैक्सेस कलेक्ट करेंगे गांव में से. दे मेक रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत एंड प्रिपेयर्स फॉर्म. They will also prepare form and they will keep record of budgetary account. कितना गांव में खर्च किया, किस काम में खर्च किया, पूरा अकाउंट रखेंगे वो लोग. The office ग्राम पंचायत is also called village secretariat. जो ऑफिस होती है ग्राम पंचायत में, जो ऑफिस होती है गांव में, जो ऑफिस होती है, so the office of ग्राम पंचायत is also called village secretariat. What we call village secretariat. Now, source of income of ग्राम पंचायत. Taxes like property tax, water tax, shop tax, cleaning tax, electricity tax. These are all other source of income of Gram Panchayat. Then grants from the state government and central government. They also get the grants from state government and central government. Grants from the Taluka Panchayat and district Panchayat. They also get the grants from Taluka Panchayat and district Panchayat. Now we will study about the Gram Panchayat functions. What functions they are doing. So, giving the house number. They give the house number to every member of village. Arrangement of household and drinking water. They do arrangement of households and drinking water. कि सबके घर में पानी आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, टाइम पे पानी आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं किसी को दे दूं. This arrangement also. Making roads path in village. They make roads on the village, proper road in village. Cleaning of village streets and disposal of dirty water. जो गांव होते हैं वो साफ करने के लिए. So the cleaning of village streets and dispose of dirty water. Then maintenance of public property. They maintain the public property. Maintenance of public property. Maintenance of health related facility in the village. Then they keep maintenance of health related facility in the village also. Lightning arrangement in the village. गांव में वो लोग lightning भी करते. कुछ functions होते they put decoration also. This is 26th January, 15th August, they put decorations in the village. Then, education facilities including primary education in the village, awareness of propagations. We have seen that कि village में क्या होता है, free studies होती है. गांव में क्या होता है, government schools होती है. So they put facilities of primary education also. Planning of village development. वो लोग क्या करते हैं, ये डिसाइड करके कि गांव का डेवलपमेंट कैसे करें, village डेवलपमेंट कैसे हो. So the planning, they always plan about that. So planning of village development, maintenance of crops and pasture in the village, then maintenance of land asset office also, and maintenance of birth and death register. They keep record of this also. कितने बच्चे ने बॉर्न किया है गांव के अंदर और कितने लोग की डेथ हुई है. They keep record of that also. So here. Till here the chapter is complete. We will other study Gram Sabha. We will study in the next part in the next video. Children, I hope till here you understand. But to remember this Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, District Panchayat, State Government and Central Government. You just read this lesson twice and thrice. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.